Makiria ma athaki 40 anake na airitu a muthako wa volleyball mambite kambi kiharo-ini gia Kasarani riri mehariria ma haitatano cia Africa Cup of Nations manyitite thinga. Kuringana na kocha munene wa Malkia Strikers Jafeth Munala ari na mwihoko nyarari ici ni gukorwo igika wega makiria kuona mari na kahinda kaiganu ga gwika wihariria.
Bado tuko na provisional squad ambayo ni watu 10 na 20. Tunatarajia kupunguza kesho ama Friday tupangishe watu 16 ili tukikaribia kwenda tutapunguza pia watu 4 mpaka 12 ambao watasafiri kule Cameroon.
Malkia Strikers maratugana na mabũrũri 12 maria kuria magakorwo makihitaitanira kamwe kega kunyita itemi ngucanio-ini cia FIVB World Cup mwaka turorete. Timu ya arume makoretwo mategwika wega gwa kahinda karaya no rita riri kuringana na kocha wao Moses Seprot akuruhanitie njamba njithi aria akoretwo agithingatithia gutigirira ni megukorwo magicenjia moimirira ma timu ino.
The 2017 national team for men is different. We have seen the difference in the Zone 5 qualification, and also we now have some new blood, which I think will bring some impact in the Cup of Nations. We're also training for at least a longer period. I think we have around 3 weeks and a half. So I think things will be nice for us.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV ya Kwani Mugure wa Karuiru.